Hello everyone. Here we have a very interesting set. What we have here is there are five people: Krunal, Rohit, Hardik, Pollard, and Quinton. They visit five countries between amongst France, Argentina, Bahrain, Germany, and South Korea. Okay. So is that each person visited exactly four countries? Further, each country has a different capital city from among Paris, Buenos Aires, Manama, Berlin, and Seoul. Not necessarily in the same order. Not necessarily in the same order. Okay, as the country is given. Any person who visited a country definitely visited its capital city. Fine. It is also known that for any pair of persons, the number of countries that both of them visited was at most three. Now, this is probably the most important point of this set here. What does this exactly mean? Now, it's given that any person who visited, fine, this is okay. Here in this first point, what we mean is there will be at most three common cities between any two people. Okay, first is this, and we also know that everyone has visited four countries. So let's say Krunal visits Paris, Buenos Aires. He does not visit Manama. He visits Berlin and Seoul. Just taking an example. Okay. Now, what are the countries that Rohit can visit? Rohit can visit at most three common countries with Krunal. Okay. So, is it possible? Now, Rohit also has to visit four countries, right? Is it possible for Rohit not to visit Manama? Think about it. If Rohit does not visit Manama, then he'll have to visit the other four countries. And if he visits the other four countries, in that case, he will have four common countries with Krunal. So, Rohit not visiting Manama is not a possibility. Rohit will have to visit Manama. He will not be visiting one of these four countries out of Paris, Buenos Aires, Berlin, and Seoul. Okay, so he will be visiting. Let's say he does not visit Buenos Aires. Okay, fine. Now, is it possible for Hardik to not visit Buenos Aires? If Hardik does not visit Buenos Aires, then he will be visiting Paris, Manama, Berlin, and Seoul. In this case, he will be having four common countries with Rohit, which is not possible. Okay, so this is gone. Fine. Similarly, Hardik can Hardik not visit Manama? Sorry. If Hardik does not visit Manama, he will have to visit Paris, Buenos Aires, Berlin, and Seoul. In this case, he will have four common countries with Krunal, right? So again, this is not possible. That means Hardik will not be visiting a country apart from Buenos Aires and Manama. So he will be, let's say, not visiting Paris. So what we are able to figure out from this first point is that every person will not visit a different country. Every person will not visit a different country, or in other words, a country will not be visited by only one person, but it will be visited by everyone else. Okay, so if Paris, let's say, is not visited by Hardik, all others will visit Paris. Okay, if Berlin is not visited by Quinton, then all others will be visiting Berlin, and so on. So this is probably the most important clue that you need to solve this set here. Okay, so let's see the other points now. The first point here is Hardik visited Germany. Okay, so we don't know which country or which. Here we are going to start arranging using capitals and not countries, because if you look at all the points here, most of the information is given about capitals rather than countries. Okay, so we'll be arranging it using capitals first, and then we'll try to match which capital is from which country. Okay, so Hardik visited Germany. We don't know Germany, which capital is Germany's capital, so we'll just leave that for the time being. But did not visit Manama. So Hardik did not visit Manama. That means everyone else visited this particular city, Manama. Okay, while both Krunal and Pollard visited Berlin. Krunal and Pollard visited Berlin. So Krunal visited Berlin and Pollard visited Berlin. Now Hardik does not visit Manama. That means Hardik will be visiting the other four countries or other four cities here. Okay. Now third point, Pollard visited France. Now France is which country? We don't know that yet. So let's just leave that for a while. Pollard visited France, whose capital is not Manama. So France will not come over here. This is what we know. Okay. while the capital city of Bahrain is not Seoul. So Seoul is not the capital of Bahrain, so this will not be Bahrain here. Okay. Next, Krunal and Quinton visited Seoul. Okay, Krunal visited Seoul and Quinton visited Seoul. This is what we know so far. Okay. Next, while both Rohit and Hardik visited Bahrain. Okay, so Rohit Hardik visited Bahrain. We don't know which country Bahrain is, so let's just leave that for the while. Next, Quinton visited Berlin. Okay, so Quinton visited Berlin. So you see, Berlin has been visited by 4 people. That means Rohit will not visit Berlin here. Okay. Now, if Rohit does not visit Berlin, he will visit the other 4 cities. So this is what we have. So Quinton visited Berlin but did not visit South Korea, the capital of which is not Buenos Aires. So Buenos Aires is not the capital of South Korea. This is what we know here so far. Okay. Now, so far this is the information that we have. Now if you look at Seoul, Seoul has been visited by 4 people. That means Pollard will not be visiting Seoul. Okay. If Pollard does not visit Seoul, that means he will be visiting Paris and Buenos Aires. Okay. Fine. Now we don't know who will not be visiting Paris and Buenos Aires. But if you look at this point here, Quinton did not visit South Korea, which is not the capital of Buenos Aires. Okay. So Quinton does not visit South Korea. So either Quinton will not visit Paris or he will not visit Buenos Aires. That means either Paris will be the capital of South Korea or Buenos Aires will be the capital of South Korea from the table that we have. But Buenos Aires is not the capital of South Korea. That means South Korea will be, or South Korea's capital will be Paris, and Quinton will not be visiting South Korea. Because Quinton does not have to visit South Korea, that's why we can pinpoint that Paris will be the capital of South Korea. That means Quinton visits Buenos Aires. That means Krunal will not visit Buenos Aires, whereas he will be visiting Paris. So we are able to figure out that which person is visiting which city. Now let's focus on countries. Which capital belongs to which country? South Korea, this is. Okay, fine. Now we know Hardik visited Germany but did not visit Manama. Okay. While Hardik visited Germany, so Hardik visits Germany, so either this will be Germany or this will be Germany. There are many cases possible, so let's just leave that. Okay. Pollard visited France, whose capital is not Manama. Okay. So Pollard visited France, whose capital is not Manama. So Pollard will be out of these 3 cities, one of them will be France. Okay. Now again, this cannot be France, so either this or this country will be France. We don't have any concrete information, so we'll come back to this later. Fine. Next, both Krunal and Quinton visited Seoul, while Rohit and Hardik visited Bahrain. Okay, Rohit and Hardik visited Bahrain. Let's see. Rohit and Hardik, both of them visited this particular country, but this cannot be Bahrain because this is South Korea. Okay. Rohit and Hardik both have visited this country, so this country can be Bahrain. This cannot be Bahrain. This cannot be Bahrain because both of them are not visiting it. Now this country, both of them are visiting it, but this is already mentioned, this cannot be Bahrain. That means the only possibility for Bahrain is this over here. So Bahrain is the country whose capital is Buenos Aires. Okay. Now if you look at the third point where it's mentioned that Pollard visited France, so let's see which country can be France. So Pollard is visiting these countries over here except Seoul. Except Seoul city, he's visiting all the other 4 cities. So obviously these 2 are already filled with South Korea and Bahrain. So the place left for Pollard to visit is either this country or this country. So one of these 2 will be France. He is not visiting this country here, right? He is not visiting this country. So out of these 2, one of them will be France, and it's already given that Manama is not the capital of France. That means Berlin will be the capital of France. So this country here is France. Okay. So now what are the countries left? Argentina and we have Germany. Argentina and Germany are left. Now it's also given that Hardik visited Germany. Okay. So Hardik is visiting Germany, that means this country here cannot be Germany. So this country here will be Germany, and this country over here will be Argentina. This is Argentina over here. Okay, so we have pretty much figured out each country and its capital, and also we have figured out which person is visiting which country or which city. Okay, let's look at the questions now. First question here is, which country did Kunal not visit? Okay, so Kunal did not visit Buenos Aires. So the answer here is okay, Buenos Aires is the city, the country is Bahrain. So the answer here is option C, Bahrain. Okay, question 2, what is the capital of France? Okay, so the capital of France is Berlin. So the answer is option B. Next, which city did Pollard not visit? Okay, so Pollard is over here. Pollard did not visit this city, that means Seoul. Pollard did not visit Seoul. The answer is option A. And finally, question 4, which of the following countries did all three of Krunal, Rohit and Hardik visit? So we are talking about Krunal, Rohit and Hardik. Krunal, Rohit and Hardik. Which is the city visited by all three of them? So one of these cities is Paris and one of these cities is Seoul. So all three of them visit either Paris or Seoul. So okay, we are talking about country. So country will be either South Korea or Germany. Okay, so South Korea or Germany, we only have Germany in the options, so the correct answer is option B over here. Okay, so that's it for this set. Thank you.